Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the ChatGPT access denied or you do not have access error on your PC browser. First, check if you are using a VPN or proxy connection. ChatGPT can block shared IP addresses for security reasons. Turn off your VPN or proxy, then refresh the page and try signing in again. If the error still appears, clear the OpenAI site data from your browser. Open your browser settings and go to Privacy and Security. Open the third-party cookie section, then click on See All Site Data and Permissions. Search for OpenAI.com and delete all cookies and cached data related to it. After that, restart the browser and try again. Another quick fix is testing ChatGPT in an incognito or private window. Open a new incognito tab and log into ChatGPT there. If it works in incognito mode, one of your browser extensions is likely causing the problem. Go back to your normal browser window, disable all extensions, and then enable them one by one until you find the one creating the issue. You should also check if the problem is coming from OpenAI servers. Visit the official OpenAI system status page and see if there are any active outages or login issues affecting ChatGPT. These methods usually fix the access denied problem in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching.